Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Kia Optima LX trim level, done up in a beautiful white color. Car has aluminum alloy wheels and a whole bunch of other features that we're going to look at as we go around this car. As we get on the side of the car, we notice there's a sticker that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that the car comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio. Inside we have power windows, locks and mirrors, dash light control, trunk button, traction control, and a fuel door button. 2016 Optima only has 19,651 kilometers. On the steering wheel is audio and cruise controls, as well as other functions for the car. Inside we see that there's Sirius XM on the radio. Down below we have the climate control. If we open up that door, we have auxiliary and USB ports as well as a charging port. And we have the automatic transmission control and a drive mode button. Car has cloth seats and that driver's seat is height adjustable. I'm just going to pop the trunk button. In the back seat, lots of room for passengers back here. There's also a center armrest with cup holders that can be folded up to carry an extra person. And in the rear of the car, a gorgeous big trunk for carrying luggage, for carrying sports gear, for carrying outdoor gear, anything you need to carry. This beautiful 2016 Kia Optima LX trim level is available at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, about 20 minutes from absolutely anywhere in the Lower Mainland. Come out and test drive the Optima. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, and 11 to 5 on Sunday on most holidays. Remember, the best way to make an informed decision about any car you're considering is to actually drive the car. Bring the family down. See how well the family fits into the Optima and see how well the Optima fits into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia, just over the bridge in Maple Ridge.